As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Spirit S-315. Right off the bat, the Char-Broil is significantly cheaper, around $370, while the Weber's clocking in at about $850.
Yeah, that price difference is huge. But what are we getting for that extra cash with the Weber?
Well, the Char-Broil boasts a 4-burner setup with 36,000 BTUs, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner. And it has 475 square inches of primary cooking space. The Weber, it only has 3 burners, putting out 32,000 BTUs total, no side burner, but it has a slightly larger primary cooking area at 529 square inches.
So the Char-Broil's got more burners and a side burner, but less cooking space? Interesting. What about the grates? I've heard that makes a big difference.
Good point. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates. The Weber also has porcelain enameled cast iron, and they are touting superior heat retention and easy cleaning.
Durability is also a big factor. I don't want to be replacing this thing in a couple of years.
Both are stainless steel, but the Weber has a 10-year limited warranty, which suggests they're confident in its longevity. The Char-Broil doesn't explicitly mention a warranty linked in the data I have, so that's something to look into.
Warranty is definitely a selling point. What about size? I have a smaller patio.
The Weber is more compact at 24, DX24, WX 45.5H, while the Char-Broil is quite a bit larger at 25.8, DX 53.1 inches, WX 45 inches H. So the Weber would be a better fit for a smaller space.
Okay, so to recap, the Char-Broil is cheaper and has more burners and a side burner. But the Weber has a slightly larger cooking surface, a better warranty, and is more compact. It comes down to if the price is worth the warranty and size.
Exactly. If you're on a budget and need that side burner, the Char-Broil is a solid choice. But if you value the warranty, smaller size, and are willing to pay more, the Weber seems like the better long-term investment. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.